Eric Ramko has come out to say that you and Drew Matere have taken his song, Chobolo. He even put up clips of Chobolo and your Chobolo as well.
Yeah.
I have my own opinion about it.
What do you think? What do you think about the two songs?
Title. That's the only thing that has them looking the same.
Yeah.
Melody wise, lyrics wise, it's not the same.
Yeah.
And then?
Let me tell you how it happened.
Yeah.
I receive a text, an inbox from him. Ola Bexen kopa number rao.
Yeah.
And I be like, sure, Brazil. We tell our respect dates off from way back in the day. Next day he calls me in the morning. Yo, I heard your song, Chobolo. Bless up. Thank you, Brawak. I'm going to quote what he said. Okopile pina ya.
Oh, my E. No.
So it's sense or no?